What's the meaning of canonical? Canonical. Canonical.
Canonical. Canonical. Canonical refers to something that is considered the standard or authoritative representation of a particular concept or design. It is often used in reference to computer programming, where a canonical implementation of a protocol or algorithm is considered the reference point for all other implementations to follow. In essence, a canonical version is seen as the most reliable and widely accepted interpretation of a given concept, providing a benchmark for others to strive towards. This can help ensure consistency and interoperability across different systems and platforms that use the same concept or design.